Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor SPC GCA अजमेर। आज हम सीलन ट्रेटा के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। This is image of jellyfish. This is image sea anemone. Coelenterata are eumetazoa animals. Few tissues are present in them. Digestive cavity is present. Most animals are radially symmetrical. Nettle is a plant touching which causes itching. These are like nettle because nematocysts are present. Originated during Precambrian time. Gastrovascular cavity is present, lined by cilia. Opens outside through mouth. Coelentron is present. Oral and aboral ends are present. Oral और aboral ends present होते हैं. Radially or bilaterally symmetrical. Some are radially symmetrical and others are biradially symmetrical. Multicellular, cellular differentiation is present. Multicellular animal होते हैं और cells का differentiation present होता है. Two layers of cells are present, epidermis and gastrodermis. Epidermis is found by ectoderm and gastrodermis is found by endoderm. Mesoglea is present in between. दोनों layers के बीच में mesoglea present होती है. Nematocysts are present for protection of animal and food capture. Nematocysts जो है वो protection और food capture का कार्य करते हैं. Tentacles are present. Digestive canal not divided by septa. Anus absent. Anus अनुपस्थित होती है. Mouth also defecate undigested food. Defecation का कार्य भी mouth ही करता है. Respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system are absent. All functions are performed by body surface. Nervous system is present as simple nerve net. Eye spot and statocyst are present in some. Polymorphism is present. Polyp and medusa are present. Most sea living animals, ज़्यादातर animals समुद्री होते हैं. Some are freshwater like hydra. Muscle cells are present. Unisexual or bisexual animals are present. Reproduction is asexual or sexual. Both are present. Reproductive organs are simple. Reproductive organs simple होते हैं. Without duct, duct नहीं होती. Cleavage is holoblastic. Cleavage holoblastic type का होता है. Larva is planula larva. Mouth formed by blastopore. Mouth blastopore के द्वारा बनता है. Coelenterata is divided into hydrozoa, scyphozoa, cubozoa and anthozoa. Hydrozoa. Polyp is main form. Medusa absent. Stomodium absent. Stomodium is anterior part of gastrovascular cavity lined by ectoderm. Gastrovascular cavity not divided. Nematocyst absent. Mesoglea non-cellular. Animals are solitary or colonial. या तो animals solitary होते हैं या colonial होते हैं. Velum present in medusa. This is known as crespidote. ये जो है crespidote कहलाती है. 3,700 species are known. Example hydra, Paneria, Tubularia, Millipora, fire corals, Obelia, Velella, Porpita, Physalia. Physalia are also known as Portuguese man of war. Scyphozoa. Scypho means cup and zoa means animal. Cup-shaped animals, jellyfishes. Free living, tentacles are present. Manubrium present. Stomodium and velum absent. Acrespidote. Manubrium present. Dioecious. Mesoglea, gelatin present. Amoeboid cells present. Polyp, Scyphistoma और absent. All sea living, सभी जानवर समुद्री होते हैं. 200 more than 200 species are known. Examples are Aurelia, jellyfish, Rhizostoma, Cubozoa. This is new class like jellyfishes, but disc is cuboidal. Example of these animals are box jellies. 4 group of tentacles are present. Valerium present. Amoeboid cell in mesoglea. Example Chironex, फ्लेकेरी, बॉक्स जेली भी कहते हैं इनको, सी वेस्प भी कहते हैं। नियर ऑस्ट्रेलिया दीज आर फाउंड, ऑस्ट्रेलियन सी बीचेस के पास ये पाए जाते हैं। 4 लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स आर प्रेजेंट, पेडेलिया, इन बॉक्स जेलीफिशेस, complex eyes, lens and retina are present. Anthozoa. Anthos means flower, zoa means animal. These are flower-like animals. Examples are sea anemone. Tentacles are like flower petals. Free living medusa absent. Animals are sessile or attached. Mouth disc, flat and tentacles hollow. Gastrovascular cavity, tentacles are present. रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स आर एंडोडर्मल, रिप्रोडक्शन के जो ऑर्गन्स हैं वो एंडोडर्मल होते हैं। टिश्यूज, रिप्रोडक्टिव टिश्यूज आर एंडोडर्मल। सेप्टा प्रेजेंट, मीजोग्लिया ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू प्रेजेंट, कैल्शियम स्केलेटन आर प्रेजेंट इन सम, माउथ ओपन इन स्टोमोडियम, lined by ectoderm, solitary or colonial, attraction of sea, these are attraction of sea, corals, solitary or colonial, 6100 species are known, 6100 से ज़्यादा species known है। Skeleton of these animals form coral reef, इन animals के skeleton coral reef बनाते हैं जो कि सभी के लिए attraction है। There is economic importance of corals as they attract tourists. Tubipora, Gorgonia, sea fan, Pennatula, sea pen, Adamsia and Metridium are examples.